I'm very excited for our province. It's been a long time since we last hosted Karaa. Kaya po we make sure na Karaa 2025 will be memorable and enjoyable for everyone. We prepared our facilities, and this Karaa 2025 ang unang competition para sa ating bagong track and field oval. Una din competition para sa ating world-class na Benguet Aquatic Center. To the athletes, strive to win, to fuel confidence, and inspire others to believe in what is possible. Pag hindi ka nakagol, let's learn from it. Gamitin natin yung experience natin to be better. Push each other to be better. Dahil naniniwala ako sa darating na Palaro Pambansa ngayong 2025, Cordillera will be a force to reckon with.
Kasama natin sa Kongreso, napakabayan at napakasipag at nakita-kita natin high-performing Congressman Eric Goya. Palagay ito, hindi pa natapos dito dahil may pinakwento sa akin na plano niya gawin sa tabi ng Aquatic Center.
Welcome to the beautiful province of Benguet. Mabuhay ang Cordillera.